Peace be unto you and your family. 11th Chemistry, Unit 1, Basic Concept of Chemistry and Chemical Calculation. In this lesson, in this video, we are going to discuss about lesson back questions, question number 26 to 33. First question, define relative atomic mass. What is the answer? The relative atomic mass is defined as ratio of the average atomic mass of the atom to the unified atomic mass. Average atomic mass to the unified atomic mass. The symbol of relative atomic mass is AR, relative atomic mass. Come to question number 27. What do you understand by the term mole? 1 mole is the amount of substance of a system which contains as many elementary particles as there are atoms in 20 gram of carbon 12 isotope. So, the number of atoms present in carbon 12 isotope. Carbon 12 is the standard substance. The elementary particles can be molecules, atoms, ions, electrons or any other specified particle. Question number 28, define equivalent mass. Gram equivalent mass is defined as, if the equivalent mass is expressed in gram, it is called gram equivalent mass. Generally, there is no unit for equivalent mass. Gram equivalent mass is defined as the mass of an element or compound or ion that combines or displaces 1.008 gram of hydrogen or 8 gram of oxygen or 35.5 gram of chlorine. This 1.008 gram is equivalent mass of hydrogen, equivalent mass of oxygen, equivalent mass of chlorine. Question number 29. What do you understand by the term oxidation number? Oxidation number is defined as the imaginary charge left on the atom when all other atoms of the compound have been removed in their usual oxidation state that are assigned according to set of rule. Generally, oxidation number indicate loss of electron or gain of electron. If an element loss electron, it is indicated by positively charged, and if an element gain electron, it is indicated by a negative charges. Come to question number 30, a very most important question. Distinguish between oxidation and reduction. What is meant by oxidation? General definition, addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen is called oxidation. For reduction, addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen is called reduction. According to electronic concept, loss of electron is called oxidation. Fe2 plus ferrous ion loss 1 electron becomes Fe3 plus ion. Gain of electron is called reduction. Copper 2 plus ion gain 2 electron becomes metallic copper. Increase in oxidation number. In a chemical reaction, when you move from left to right, if the oxidation number increases, calcium metal in free state oxidation state 0. When you move from left to right, if the oxidation number increases from 0 to 2 plus, it is called oxidation. When you move from left to right, if the oxidation number decreases 2 plus to 0, it is called reduction. And removal of metal is called oxidation. Addition of metal is called reduction. Metal, potassium is removed from potassium iodide. Here mercury is added to mercury chloride, converted into mercurous chloride. Addition of metal is called reduction. Come to question number 31. Calculate the molar mass of the following compound: urea, NH2CO NH2, acetone, boric acid and sulfuric acid. First, we are going to calculate the molar mass of urea. Urea molecular formula NH2CO NH2. It contains 2 nitrogen atoms, 4 hydrogen atoms, 1 carbon and 1 oxygen. That is equal to 2 into nitrogen atomic mass 14 plus 4 into hydrogen atomic mass 1 plus 1 into carbon 12 and 1 into oxygen 16. That is equal to 2 into 14 are 28 plus 4 into 1 equal to 4. 1 into 12 equal to 12 plus 1 into 16 equal to 16. The sum of all this value gives 16. Molar mass is expressed in gram mole power minus 1. Second compound is acetone. We know the molecular formula CH3COCH3. It contains 3 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. How many oxygen atom? 1 oxygen atom equal to 3 into atomic mass 12 carbon, 6 into hydrogen 1, 1 into oxygen 16, that is equal to 3 into 12 are 36 plus 6 plus 16. When you add all these, you will get 58 molar mass. Gram mole power minus 1 is the molar mass of acetone. Come to boric acid. Boric acid molecular formula H3PO3. It contains 3 hydrogen atoms plus 1 boron atom plus 3 oxygen atoms, that is equal to 3 into hydrogen atomic mass 1, 1 into boron atomic mass 10 plus 3 into oxygen atomic mass 16, that is equal to 3 plus 10 plus 48 will give the answer 61 gram mole power minus 1. Sulfuric acid molecular formula H2SO4. It containing 2 hydrogen atoms, 1 sulfur, how many oxygen? 4 oxygen atom, that is equal to 2 into hydrogen 1 plus 1 into sulfur atomic mass 32 plus 4 into oxygen atomic mass 16, that is equal to 2 plus 32 plus 4 into 16 are 64 will give the answer 98 gram mole power minus 1 is the molar mass of sulfuric acid. This is question number 31. Now come to 32. The density of carbon dioxide CO2 is equal to 1.965 kilogram meter power minus 3 at 273 Kelvin and 1 atm pressure. Calculate the molar mass of carbon dioxide. Given the density of carbon dioxide at 273 Kelvin and 1 atm pressure is 1.965 kilogram meter power minus 3. Now I convert the kilogram into gram. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. 1000 is nothing but 10 power 3 gram. So density 1.965 into 10 power 3 gram meter power minus 1. We have to calculate molar mass of carbon dioxide. Before that, calculate 1 mole of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide molecular formula CO2, it containing 1 carbon and 2 oxygen atom, that is equal to 1 into carbon atomic mass 12 and 2 into oxygen atomic mass 16, that is equal to 12 plus 2 into 16 are 32 equal to 44 gram is the 1 mole of carbon dioxide. Now at 273 Kelvin and 1 atm pressure, 1 mole of carbon dioxide occupying a molar volume 22.4 liter. Now I convert the liter into meter cube. 22.4 liter equal to 22.4 into 10 power minus 3 meter cube. Mass of 1 mole of carbon dioxide equal to density value 1.965 into 10 power 3 into 22.4 into 10 power minus 3 whole divided by 1 meter cube. When I multiply these two values, we know 10 power 3, 10 power minus 3 get cancelled. Now we are going to multiply these two values. So the multiplication answer is 44.01 gram mole power minus 1 is the molar mass of carbon dioxide. Mass of 1 mole of carbon dioxide is 44.01 gram mole power minus 1. This is question number 32. Come to question number 33. Which contain the greatest number of moles of oxygen atom? 1 mole of ethanol, 1 mole of formic acid, 1 mole of H2O. 3 compounds are given. Now we have to start with the molecular formula. Ethanol C2H5OH, it contains only one oxygen atom. Formic acid containing 2 oxygen atoms. Water molecular formula H2O containing 1 water molecule. Number of mole of ethanol, formic acid, water are all equal to 1 mole, 1 mole, 1 mole of water. Now ethyl alcohol or ethanol containing 1 oxygen atom, this is number of oxygen atom into Avogadro number. So number of oxygen atom present in ethanol is 1 into 6.022 into 10 power 23. Formic acid, there are 2 oxygen atom, therefore 2 into 6.022 into 10 power 23 Avogadro number. And water molecule containing only 1 oxygen atom, therefore 1 into 6.022 into 10 power 23. When we compare these 3 numbers, formic acid 2 into 6.022 into 10 power 23 has greatest number of moles of oxygen atom. Therefore, the answer is among the 3 compound given, 1 mole of formic acid containing greatest number of moles of oxygen atom. So, in this video, so far we have discussed question number 26 to question number 33. Lesson back question. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe. In the incoming video, we are going to start with the question number 34. Thank you very much.